Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I'm working with eggplant today. I wanted to share these with you. These are nice, tender, young eggplants. The small ones often taste better. Of course, got the little chatties there, right? They're looking good. And follow along. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these and give you some more tips and tricks on this channel with eggplant. There's a lot of recipes. I will try to link a few up here for you. So the first thing I like to do with these is cut off the tops and the bottoms using a small utility knife here. Perfect cut right there. Just remove this green part. You want to do this so as to not waste any eggplant. It's good. It's expensive. It's good for you. This is all I'm discarding right here. Okay, the next step, we're going to remove the bottom, primarily just to get a nice flat spot. Just like this. Same thing. Minimal waste. Then we're going to stand the eggplant up. We're going to cut some lines down it. Very nice. Some slices. Just like that. Eggplant's going in the flour, and then it's going in the egg, and then it's going in the breadcrumbs. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can see where I'm going with this. Oh yeah. Ah yeah, look at that. A little bit of cheese on here. Oh yeah, nice and crispy the way she likes it. Okay, Chef here in one of the kitchens and I'm just putting together this eggplant parmesan plate. Wanted to share it with you here. Normally I like to serve some of these nice crispy ones. We're going to put 3 or 4 of these on the plate like this. Oh yeah, looking really, really good. And once I got a nice little nest going on here like this, I like to garnish my plate. I'm going to be putting some chopped basil on this plate like this, as well as a sprig of this fresh basil. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Ooh. It's gonna be good. Here. here. So I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using 2 products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the 2 together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in with a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.